How to withdraw Blockdag X1. I'm going to tell you how to withdraw your BDAG coins for the Blockdag X1 app. As of now, withdrawals aren't available because the app is not operating on the DevNet. Your mined coins will be migrated to the testnet and eventually to the mainnet upon its launch. Once the mainnet is live, you'll be able to withdraw and trade your BDAG coins directly from the app. To prepare for this, ensure you have at least 7,500 BDAG purchased during the pre-sale, as this is requirement for migration during the KYC process. Keep an eye on official announcements for mainnet launch and further instructions on the withdrawal process. For now, all you can do is continue mining daily to stack up your BDAG balance while waiting for the network to actually go live.